I'm heading home from my day job, which my day job is teaching junior high and high school students art, mainly drawing. So if you watched one of my previous videos, I was talking about fixing the trim on my car, and I said I would give an update on that. So the update is I was driving down the road and I heard a crack and then it flew off. And the person behind me ran over it, and that's it. Hi guys. So this is that piece of artwork that I started working on in the last video, and I'm showing me finishing it. So I hope you enjoy it. I used all ink for this, my Copic markers, and also Ohuhu markers. And then the only other thing I use is, and I'll show it in a little bit, is my white ink pen. And I'll have to look at it to remember the name, but I will put that in here. And what, you may ask, am I drawing? It ended up, I didn't 100% know where I was going to be going with this. I had an idea, but then it changed along the way, as usual. But the concept ended up being, it's kind of a different planet, and it's just kind of an unusual, otherworldly landscape with some kind of mountain range, or maybe even those are ice caps. Little moon that has a little bit of a face looking down, and you'll see it develop where, kind of an unusual sky. So yeah. Also, you may wonder why I'm going over and over and over the marker that's already on the page. I mean, one reason is layering colors creates more depth. It makes a nicer look, even if with this dark blue, for instance, just putting the dark blue by itself, it would be not terrible or anything, but it just has more richness to it, having those other colors underneath. And you could go do it the opposite. You could put the blue down and then put other colors on top. There are different ways to do it. And also been trying to create good texture with the markers, and also get rid of all of the lines. That's one thing with the markers that's kind of a challenge, is having those lines all going a certain direction that you can clearly see. So it depends on what you're doing, but sometimes you really want to get rid of those. Oh, and here, okay, if you watch the last video, you'll know why those dots are there. I decided to make those into some kind of moons or other planets that you can see in the sky. So it's kind of one of those happy accident scenarios. And there's the white pen. It's a Uniball. I forget the other part of the name. And I think it's a medium point, but I'm not positive about that. As you can tell, as I'm narrating this, I'm not looking at my art supplies. So I'll probably come back and put the text on here. Making stars, as you can probably tell, and just developing some things. Oh, making the moon kind of like it's shining in kind of an illustrative way. And yeah, adding stars, adding some details to the little planets or moons or whatever those are. Lightening up down near the horizon. I will use with my white ink pen, I will sometimes tap a little bit while the ink is still wet to spread it out. Sometimes I want just really strong lines with it also, though. So sometimes I won't do that. But this is a really nice, versatile white ink pen. It's my favorite so far. And I think I'll stop talking for just a bit. So here's the finished piece. I hope you enjoyed watching me make it. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but it was fun.